Hello there, YouTube. I just wanted to show my little vise project. I bought this from a junk man. This and another one for $1 a piece. I would have bought it even if I didn't want it or needed it. I'm going to pass it up for $1. I usually paint it about every year. But I've been jockeying this thing around to turn it around out here. Well, I finally got smart. I chopped it off and I welded a piece of pipe into here. The pipe is a little bit smaller so you can see it's kind of offset. But what I did is I wrapped some newspaper around the little pipe and shoved it in here, then squared it up. And even though it burns when you're welding it, doesn't matter. But that kept it snug. Well, where the pipe goes down in here about 4 inches, I've got a bunch of masking tape and black tape wrapped around it. That way, if it's offset, I'm going to get a good snug, tight crunching into that when I tighten it. So it's not a biggie, it's nothing precise. I mean, it looks kind of weird like that, but I painted it. And I got tired of this rusting. It sits out in the weather all the time. I use outside. I put clear on here, clear lacquer on this part and sanded it. But I got tired of jockeying this thing around. I'd have something in the vise and it's like, damn, this sucks. There's no way to turn it. This needs to be redone. I made a piece of metal this way to bolt it, and I thought about drilling and tapping it under here. We put 2 more bolts, and I just need to get that done. There. Drill and tap that, just soft cast steel. Drill and tap that, put some washers in there to have a 4-bolt on the base. But it's not used for nothing super strong, but works pretty good. Got a little T-handle. I brazed this in here instead of welding so I could do a little better job. Just like on this, I brazed it. I wanted it to be a little bit smoother. I didn't want to have to spend all the time grinding off the welds, because your hand's going to be on there. You don't want to snag it. Made it 4 inches. That's pretty good to get your hand on there. Get that pretty tight. But not to make it too long, just a little how-to video. You run across the vise that don't have a bottom on it, well, don't pass it up. There's a tip for you. Thanks for watching.